Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept in chemistry that might sound a little intimidating at first, but I promise it's super straightforward. We're talking about ions, specifically cations and anions. What are they and what's the difference? Let's break it down. First, let's start with the basics. An atom in its natural state is electrically neutral. This means it has an equal number of protons, which are positively charged, and electrons, which are negatively charged. They perfectly balance each other out. But atoms are social creatures. They love to interact and bond with other atoms to become more stable. To do this, they sometimes have to either give away or accept electrons. When this happens, the atom is no longer neutral. It becomes an ion, an atom with a net electrical charge. So, where do cations come in? A cation is an ion with a positive charge. Think of it this way. Cats have paws, and cations are positive. Cheesy, I know, but it works. A cation is formed when a neutral atom loses one or more electrons. Since electrons are negative, losing them leaves the atom with more protons than electrons. This imbalance results in an overall positive charge. Metals like sodium, magnesium, and iron are classic examples. They readily give up their electrons to form cations. For instance, a sodium atom loses one electron to become a sodium cation, written as Na+. On the other flip side, we have anions. An anion is an ion with a negative charge. An easy way to remember this is a negative ion. An anion is formed when a neutral atom gains one or more electrons. By taking on extra negative particles, the atom now has more electrons than protons, giving it an overall negative charge. Nonmetals, such as chlorine, oxygen, and sulfur, are great at grabbing electrons to form anions. For example, when a chlorine atom gains one electron, it becomes a chloride anion written as Cl. So, to recap the key difference, cations are positive because they lose electrons, and anions are negative because they gain electrons. Cations are typically formed from metals, while anions are usually formed from nonmetals. It's this beautiful exchange of electrons creating positive cations and negative anions that leads to the formation of ionic bonds, the very glue that holds together countless compounds like the salt on your table, which is just sodium cations and chloride anions hanging out together. And that's it. Not so scary, right? Cations are positive, anions are negative. It's all about gaining or losing electrons. I hope this explanation helped clear things up for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple science breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.